Hello, today I will show you how to correctly install our Trispel decal. This installation guide applies to the products Trical ST Matte and Trical ST Matte Nightlight. Let's get started. For the installation, you'll need the following tools: a stiff plastic squeegee with microfiber felt, adhesive tape, a folding ruler, a suitable surface cleaner with cleaning wipes, and of course your Trispel decal. Trical ST Matte adheres to many surfaces, but they must be clean and dry. Thoroughly clean the area, for example with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure the surface is free from dust, grease, and any residues. Also ensure proper temperature conditions. Prepare the decal by fixing it on one side using a piece of tape. Make sure that the graphic area itself is not covered. Position the decal in the intended spot by measuring from a straight edge. Then secure it with the tape. Lift the pictogram and completely remove the backing paper. Apply the decal smoothly and bubble-free to the surface by pressing it on with firm, even pressure. Hold the decal close to the surface without tension. Be careful not to touch the adhesive side during application. When the edge appears slightly milky, you can remove the transparent carrier film diagonally from one corner. Be sure to press down the edges firmly beforehand. Finally, gently press the graphic again using the felt side of the squeegee. Remember, pull the squeegee, don't push. Full adhesion is achieved after 72 hours. That was your quick guide to installing our product Trical ST Matte. You're now ready to apply Trispel decal. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly. Thanks for watching and good luck with your installation.